All right, so this is the 93 Kodiak 400 that I bought for my daughter. Like I said, the clutch was slipping on this. Not really a big deal. I mean, like I said, I still got it for a pretty decent price. This bumper is absolutely awesome though. We were plowing trees over, just ramming into all kinds of stuff, and it didn't move a smidge, nothing. So definitely happy with that. The tires are awesome. They are definitely pretty stiff. I think they're ITP 589s, and I mean, they have awesome grip. Definitely bury the four-wheeler and never get stuck. But definitely really stiff tires. Even when they're air, I could pretty much let the air all the way out of these and ride around and they'll be fine. But having two people on it, hitting all the rocks and bumps and everything else is definitely a bit rough. I may possibly looking into get other tires, probably the Mudlight XLs everyone likes too. Or just tell the kid to get better and ride this thing by yourself and it's not so bad. Alright, anyways, let's get this thing. We're just going to tilt it up on its side so I can pull the case apart and not have to worry about draining oil, and it kind of helps keep everything in order and organized. So, alright, get to it. Alright, that's a lot easier. Alright, so I finally got the case off. Yeah, that happened. Broke that one off, but at least there's still a stud. My buddy Randy, I'm in his shop right now, and apparently he's an expert at getting those out without them breaking more. So I'm gonna wait till he gets back so he can pull that out. And if you can see this clutch here, that is supposed to ride against the outer part here, and there's just chunks and chunks taken out of it, and there's like nothing left to it. So I'm gonna guess that's my problem. And I know that's the expensive piece. I'm sure this one's smoked too, and I already bought that, so we're gonna change those out anyways. But that was cheaper. That was only like 50 something bucks. This, I don't know, I'm gonna have to look it up. And it also stinks because not gonna wait more parts, but we'll get it back together next weekend by the time I get all of my stuff. A little discoloration going on there too. And then I should have definitely cleaned this whole thing, pressure washed it before and pulled it apart. Got a bunch of dirt in the motor. It's alright, I'll get a vacuum, I'll suck all that stuff out and put the cover back on for now until I get the rest of my parts. Alright, so we've had our clutches sitting here soaking for at least half hour now. Yeah, Randy came back and said that these actually don't look too terrible a shape. I don't know. First one I've really taken a look at this big and seen that those big of chunks, but he says still they should be alright. So I'm gonna throw this all back together and see what happens. Hopefully these were just bad. Here's the old ones. They're a little glazed over, but nothing too crazy. Looks like there's a little bit of rust or something else on these, on the metal discs. But nothing looks too bad. So you can get it to focus. Focus. No, not happening. So hopefully just these clutches fix the issue and I don't have to buy this other part, because I was looking at those and, well, they're a couple $100 easy just for the internals. So we'll see what happens. We'll so back together for now, and with these new clutches, and hopefully that fixes the issue. Oh, and I got the case all cleaned out. All the dirt that I dropped in there, and Randy got that last bolt out for me. Apparently you're not supposed to heat them up because the aluminum doesn't heat up as quick as the steel bolt does, and then the it actually ends up making it a tighter tolerance and makes it stuck. But I learned. But it's out, it's fixed, and I have another one somewhere, so we're good there. Alright, now I'm gonna slap it back together. Alright, so we got the clutch all put back together last night, case back on, new bolt down there, and yeah, took it for a quick ride last night, but it was too dark to see, so let's go test this clutch now. I would definitely say she's fixed. Absolutely no slipping at all, which is awesome. Yeah, even though the centrifugal clutch looked really bad, apparently that's just how they're supposed to look. I thought it looked horrible, and I thought it was going to be junk, but Randy said they usually look normal like that. But so that's good news, because that part was actually quite expensive. I think like, yeah, $300–400 range. But that fixed all that problem. This thing really needs a bath. It is disgusting after going in that pond. Alright, so we got the Kodiak back in the shop. She's making some funny noises out of the front drive shaft here. Pretty sure it's a U-joint, so I gotta pull that cover off down there and see what's going on. I did grab 2 new U-joints and yokes for each end, just in case, because a lot of times they'll get worn out. The front of it's there, so a little tight in here, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing pulled apart and see what's going on. Alright, well, I think I found our problem. See if I can show it. Alright, so in the back part of the U-joint in there, you can see there's a huge gap in the cap. I think I lost all the bearings to it. So that's just kind of flopping around in there. So I may only have to just change this front U-joint. Well, I think I found our problem. U-joint's a bit sloppy right there. Alright. Well, the way these come off, there's a little clip that sits down on the edge of the U-joint right there. So I gotta pop those clips off and then bang it back and forth until I get the caps out. Alright, so I got this U-joint and yoke out. That was kind of a pain in the butt with how much room there is in there. So I was thinking about just pulling the cap out of this, but that cap doesn't want to come out. So, like I said, I did get a new yoke with it, and this one's already pretty much pre-assembled. So I'm just going to slide this one on and then slide my caps on and grease it up. Alright, new U-joint is in. A little bit of a pain in the butt, but it's done. Alright, I guess I'm going to throw the covers back on and get this done so the kid can ride. Alright, covers back on, wheels back on. Let's take this thing for a ride, see if we fixed everything. One-handed is gonna suck. Yeah. Yeah, it definitely sounds a lot better. I gotta fix these front brakes. Alright, well, let's say that one's fixed.